The Gifted, Talented, and Creative Brain by Joy Schweitzer. Physical and cognitive differences between the gifted and the normal brain. Researchers have found that the thickening and thinning processes of the prefrontal cortex in the brain varies among intelligence levels. The prefrontal cortex is the part of the brain just behind the forehead that is responsible for reasoning, planning, and decision-making. Intelligence can be related to a larger level of gray matter or cortex in the frontal and parietal lobes of the brain. IQ is related to how the cortex matures. In people of superior intelligence, an IQ of 121 to 145, they possess a thinner cortex which rapidly thickens until age 11 or 12. This is the greatest rate of change and could be caused by greater neuroplasticity. However, in students with high to average IQ, 83 to 120, the tracts of white matter that are in the brain are more organized than other individuals. They possess a thicker cortex which peaks at age 8 and then gradually thins. Ability versus achievement. Ability can't be seen and is difficult to measure. Often, it is difficult to determine ability without looking at achievement. Achievement is similar to performance. It can be observed and measured. Stephanie Tolan puts it well in her article, Is It a Cheetah? In the article, Tolan compares a non-achieving gifted child to a non-running cheetah. Even when a cheetah isn't running, it still has the ability to run. The cheetah could be locked in a cage and won't even try to run, but it still has the ability to run. A child with high ability who is stuck in a dull academic environment with no challenge is like the cheetah locked in a cage. She still has high ability, but she may not even try to achieve. The absence of achievement isn't an indication that a child lacks ability. The difference between nurture and nature in the gifted child. According to Howard Gardner, intelligences are the product of the interaction between genetic predisposition and environment. However, there is little physical evidence to support this. For this reason, I believe that giftedness is a matter of nurturing. Environment is a key factor in cortical development. School in the primary and intermediate grades may have a significant impact of a student's eventual level of intelligence. Students are more likely to be motivated and succeed where teachers use a variety of activities to appeal to all students. Students who were taught in ways that best matched their achievement patterns outperformed those whose methods were not a good fit for their pattern of abilities. Successfully intelligent people recognize their strengths and make the most of them, and recognize their weaknesses and compensate for them. Sternberg believes that successfully intelligent people adapt, shape, and select their environment. Students taught based on Sternberg's theory of its successful intelligence performed better on assessments than students taught and assessed in conventional ways. For this reason, I feel that giftedness is a matter of nurturing versus nature. Thank you for listening to my presentation on the gifted and creative brain. Included, you will find some references to where I received my information for this presentation. Thank you.